25% tariff is coming as soon as Saturday, folks. I see a lot of talk about US tariffs on Canada, and I'm surprised how some people downplay their impact. Ooh la la, c'est une catastrophe. Give me 1 minute and let me explain. When the US puts tariffs on Canadian goods, American buyers pay more, so they buy less. That means Canadian businesses lose sales, forcing them to cut costs, often through layoffs. At the same time, companies struggling with lower US demand may raise prices in Canada to recover lost revenue. That makes life more expensive for consumers. Bank of Canada already announced 25 basis points cut to boost the economy. But lower rates weaken the Canadian dollars, making imports more expensive and adding to inflation. The result? Fewer jobs, rising costs, and a weaker currency that shrinks your savings. If you only rely on cash, you will see its value decline. That's why it's important to think ahead and protect your financial future in a rising inflationary environment. Follow me to learn more techniques to achieve your financial goals.